Hi, I'm Marisa Kopek, and I'm the President and Chief Research Officer at Lux. Lux is at the center of an amazing ecosystem of innovation across agriculture, food, beverage, and nutrition, materials, manufacturing, energy, consumer products, and digital technologies. Given our unique position at this nexus between innovation leaders in the largest and most widely recognized brands in the world, and essentially unknown or new and emerging startups, we offer you this exclusive deliverable of our Lux Research and Advisory Services we call Ideathons. Ideathons are a live virtual startup pitch session organized around an innovation category. For example, we've done one on carbon capture, utilization, and storage, and we have upcoming ones on battery recycling and packaging innovations. We invite about 5 startups to each event, and we ask them to pitch their new innovations, giving you live, exclusive access to these innovators. In addition to the innovator doing a short pitch, we also have them engage in some pretty lively and really fascinating conversations with our Lux experts, and they are, of course, experts around hot topics as well. You can chat and ask questions, and after the Ideathon is over, we go into breakout rooms where you can connect and network with those innovation providers and the Lux experts. And we also allow you to vote for the provider who had the best presentation, bringing a little competitive spirit to our Ideathons and make it fun. So with that, welcome to this area on the Lux membership site for our Ideathons. Here you can register for upcoming events. You can also watch replays on demand of past Ideathons, download pitch presentations from the innovators, and also read research from Lux related to those innovations. So welcome. I hope you enjoy this super cool new capability we're bringing to you to inspire you with new ideas, illuminate investment opportunities, and ignite your partnerships.